Hello Foxies! Today I'm thrilled to share with you my latest makeup adventure with Selestia Beauty. Their products have truly transformed my daily routine, and I'm here to give you a step-by-step guide on how to achieve a flawless, goddess-like look using some of their must-have items. These products were given to me for review. Step 1. Sculpt with the Goddess Sculpting Powder. After applying my base foundation, I reach for the Goddess Sculpting Powder. This palette features two stunning shades, a lighter mocha color for subtle contouring, and a deeper coffee hue for more intense definition. These powders are incredibly soft and velvety to the touch, making blending a breeze. I start by using the outer ring, the lighter mocha, to gently contour the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, and the sides of my nose. This subtle contour adds dimension to my face without being too dramatic. Next, I apply the deeper coffee color to the areas where I want more depth and definition, like the outer edges of my cheeks and my temples. The result? A perfectly sculpted face with a balanced color that keeps me from looking washed out. Step 2. Tame those brows with Laminatrix Eyebrow Gel. Next up, it's time to get those eyebrows under control with Laminatrix Eyebrow Gel. I have naturally thick eyebrows that can easily look messy, but this gel is a game changer. The unique comb and brush design allows me to effortlessly shape my brows and achieve professional quality results without any stickiness. I simply comb the hairs in the direction that I want them to stay and they remain in place all day. The result is natural, well-groomed brows that frame my face beautifully. Step 3. Dramatic lashes with Queen Cobra Mascara. Mascara lovers, you're in for a treat. The Queen Cobra Mascara not only comes with the coolest packaging, a gold cobra head for the cap, but also delivers incredible results. This mascara elongates my lashes dramatically, giving them a full voluminous look. The secret lies in the curved wand, which helps to lift and separate each lash while coating them with the perfect amount of formula. The texture of the wand makes a noticeable difference, ensuring that my lashes look amazing with minimal effort. I can't get enough of this mascara. Step 4. Perfect Pout with Oral Fixation Lip Liner in Bruja. To finish off my look, I apply the Oral Fixation Lip Liner in the shade Bruja. This natural brown liner is my go-to for creating the perfect pout. The creamy texture of this liner makes it easy to apply, and I love to use it to add some inner lines for a fuller lip effect. I draw 2 lines on my upper lip and 1 in the middle of my bottom lip to enhance their volume. The color is rich and flattering, completing my look with a touch of sophistication. I absolutely adore every piece of the Selestia Beauty makeup series. Each product works harmoniously to help me achieve a polished, goddess-like appearance. From the beautifully sculpted face with the Goddess Sculpting Powder to the perfectly tamed brows with the Laminatrix Eyebrow Gel, the dramatic lashes from the Queen Cobra Mascara, and the voluminous lips with the Oral Fixation Lip Liner in Bruja. I truly feel like a goddess. If you're looking to elevate your makeup game, I highly recommend trying out these Selestia Beauty products. They might just become your new favorites too. Stay beautiful and confident, my fellow goddesses. Stay foxy.